In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpoFinance in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, connecting your broker to Tradingview can be a game changer. It allows you to streamline your trading experience and harness the powerful charting capabilities Tradingview is renowned for. Let's dive in and walk through each step with clarity and focus so you can make this connection with ease. First things first. We'll start by heading over to the Tradingview website. You're probably familiar with Tradingview as it's one of the most popular charting tools out there for traders worldwide. Once you're on the site, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is straightforward, and it's crucial so that all your data and personal settings are saved. Now that you're on Tradingview, locate the Supercharts section. The Supercharts feature is where all the advanced charting happens, and it's a central part of working on this platform. Click on it to enter the main chart area. Being efficient with charts is indispensable for traders, as it provides you with the insights needed to make informed decisions. Next, we need to access the trading panel. This is an essential step because the trading panel is where you connect brokers and place trades. Once you see the trading panel button, go ahead and click it. It should be straightforward to find, usually at the bottom of the Supercharts interface. Exploring the trading panel is always a good idea if this is your first time connecting a broker, as it lets you see all the supported options Tradingview can work with. Following this, you'll want to find the option to Show All Brokers. This button will bring up a list of all the brokerages you can connect to through Tradingview. Clicking it will expand your list of choices and provide you with a comprehensive view of the broker options. Now scroll through the list to find OpoFinance. Depending on your settings or previous interactions with the platform, the brokerage list may vary slightly in terms of order, but don't worry, you'll locate OpoFinance with a bit of searching. Once OpoFinance is visible, it's time to finalize our connection. Click on OpoFinance from the list. Usually, when you click, you'll be prompted to enter your broker credentials to seamlessly link your account with Tradingview. Double-check those login details before entering them to ensure a smooth connection process without any hitches. And there you have it. You have successfully connected OpoFinance to Tradingview, ready to take full advantage of your newly empowered trading setup. By following these steps, you can now trade directly through Tradingview while leveraging everything the platform offers. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I wish you all the best on your